In today's video, I'll show you how to add a zoom effect using Kapwing to make your videos more engaging and dynamic. Start by opening Kapwing Studio in your web browser. Create a new project and upload the video you want to edit. You can upload a file from your computer or paste a video link if your content is online. Once the video loads into the editor, click on the video layer to select it. You can do this either directly on the canvas or from the timeline below. Selecting the clip ensures any effects you apply affect the correct video. Now, look to the right side of the screen for the editing panel. Find and click on the Animate option. This section contains motion-based effects you can apply to your clip. From the animation options, choose Moving Zoom. This effect allows you to zoom in or zoom out during the clip. Use zoom in to highlight a specific detail or subject. Use zoom out to reveal more of the scene and create context. Preview the effect to make sure the zoom looks smooth and fits your video style. Adjust the timing if needed so the motion feels natural. Once you're happy with the result, export your video to download or share it. That's it. You've successfully added a zoom effect using Kapwing to enhance your video visuals. Thanks for watching and happy editing.